a text effect that's going to make your designs pop like never before. This tutorial is packed with few secrets you won't want to miss. Let's jump right in. First things first, we're going to change the foreground color. And I'm not talking about a slow, click-by-click approach. Nope, just type in the color code like a pro and watch the magic happen. Done, cool. Now hit Alt plus Backspace to fill the canvas with that fresh color. Boom, on to the next. Create a new layer. We need a blank canvas for the next bit of magic. Once again, let's change the foreground color by entering a new code. This time, pick the brush tool, and with one simple tap in the center, we're set. Filter time. Head to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set that radius to 4 and hit OK. Simple, but wait, there's more. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Set the amount to 3, and you've added some texture. Now for the main event, text time. Grab that text tool and type your magic words. If you don't have the font I'm using, don't panic. Just grab it from the link in the description below. Once your text is ready, right-click the text layer and rasterize it. Things are about to get interesting. Get your fingers ready. Hold Ctrl plus Alt and keep tapping those left and top arrow keys simultaneously. We're duplicating the text like crazy. Go wild and do it up to 40 times. Don't worry, this is the fun part. Let's get a bit fancy. Select the 39th layer and double-click it. Time to bevel and emboss. Set that size to 7, then hit up the color overlay and change the color with, you guessed it, another code. Blending mode? Normal, of course. Right-click and copy the layer style like a boss. Now let's share the wealth. Select the 38th layer, hit Shift, and select all the copies. Paste that layer style like you're sprinkling design magic. Now double-click the 40th layer for some next-level vibes. Add a drop shadow. Set the angle to 135 degrees. Change the blending mode to overlay and tweak those settings. Size, 16, distance, 20, spread, 23, size, 80. Feeling fancy? Let's add a gradient overlay. Change the colors by typing in, you guessed it again, codes. Set the angle to -91 and the scale to 66%. Done? Great. But wait, there's more. Head to Stroke, give it a bold color using another code, and set the size to 5. Finally, inner shadow time. Go with a deep black. Set the opacity to 90%, distance to 10, and size to 8. Then hit OK and take a step back to admire your work. Let's wrap this up. Select all the layers by holding down Shift. Then press Ctrl plus G to group them like a pro. But we're not done yet. Oh no. Hold Ctrl plus Alt and press those right and down arrow keys like it's your job. Do it 80 times. Yes, you read that right. Now for the final trick. Select layers 80 to 60. Hit Ctrl plus E to merge them, and we're moving fast toward the finish line. Select this merged layer and head over to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Set the angle to -45 and the distance to 50. Last move. Select the 59th layer, hold Shift, and click the first text layer. Group them with a quick Ctrl plus G. And there you have it, a stunning, professional, and downright cool text effect that'll wow your audience. That's a wrap, folks. If you loved this tutorial, and I know you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing Photoshop magic. Hit the bell icon so you never miss another design gem like this one. Until next time, stay creative.